Hello children. Today we will discuss about our fascinating universe. When we look up from the earth, we see the sky. Look at the sky during the day and at night. What do you observe? During daytime, the sky looks blue with clouds. In the night, we see the dark sky, the stars and the moon. The sun, the moon, the stars and the planets are all celestial or heavenly bodies. Our universe is a vast space that contains billions and billions of heavenly bodies. We should know. Planets and satellites do not have their own heat and light like stars. They all shine in the sky as they reflect back the light of the sun. The universe. The universe is a huge and endless expansion of millions and millions of stars with all the heavenly bodies. A large group or cluster of stars is called a galaxy, and the sun is also a part of it. There are many galaxies in the universe. The sun, the moon and the earth are only a small part of a galaxy. The name of our galaxy is Akash Ganga or Milky Way. There is a supermassive black hole and clouds of very hot gases along with small dead stars at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. The Sun. The Sun is the nearest star to our planet Earth. It is much bigger than the Earth in size. It rises in the east and sets in the west. It is a round, huge ball of fire made up of hot burning gases. The sun is very important to us. It gives us heat, light and energy. Plants make food using sun's light. The energy given by the sun is called solar energy. This energy can be used for lighting, cooking, heating water, moving machines and cars, etc. We can generate solar energy by using solar panels. We also use solar energy for cooking in a solar cooker. We should know. The sun rays take 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth's surface. The solar system. The sun, the planets, their satellites, moons and asteroids, pieces of rocks and dust that move around the sun in the space, all together form the solar system. The sun is at the center of our solar system. All the planets with their satellites move or revolve around the sun at different distances and speeds. They move in a fixed elliptical path called the orbit. They do not twinkle in the night sky. There are 8 planets in our solar system that move around the sun. They are 1. Mercury, 2. Venus, 3. Earth, 4. Mars, 5. Jupiter, 6. Saturn, 7. Uranus, 8. Neptune. The word planet means wanderer. We live on the planet Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet that supports life. It is because it has air, water, soil and suitable temperature. It is also called the blue planet because it looks blue when seen from space. It is because a major portion of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Mercury is the nearest and smallest. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet in the solar system and is known as the morning star and evening star. Jupiter is the largest, Uranus is the coldest and Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Mars is also known as the red planet. The planets that have rings around them are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. We should know. Earlier, Pluto was considered as the ninth planet of the solar system, but it has been categorized as a dwarf planet. The Moon. Some planets have one or many smaller companions called satellites. The Moon is also a celestial body in space and a part of our solar system. It is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It is smaller in size in comparison to the Earth. It moves around the Earth and completes one revolution in 28 days. The Moon does not have its own heat and light. It shines as it reflects the light of the Sun that falls on it. The surface of the Moon has many craters. Two astronauts from the United States, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, were the first people who landed on the Moon. They clicked many photographs of the Earth from the space and brought back the samples of rocks from the Moon. Chandrayaan-3 is India's lunar mission which has successfully soft-landed on the Moon's surface on 23 August 2023. To mark the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3, National Space Day will be celebrated each year on 23 August. We should know. Artificial satellites are man-made objects orbiting the Earth and the other planets. The stars. In the dark night, millions of stars twinkle in the sky. The stars are huge heavenly bodies, much bigger than our Earth. They are very far away from us, so they look small in size. The stars are huge balls of hot burning gases. They have their own heat and light like the Sun. Therefore, they twinkle at night. Our Sun is also a star. The brightest star is the Sirius or the dog star. We can see Sirius star in winter. The second brightest star that we can see in the night is the pole star or Polaris, Dhruv Tara, in the northern direction. It never changes its direction. We use a telescope to observe stars and celestial bodies in space and other distant objects from the Earth. Constellation. We can see many groups of stars in different patterns in the dark nights. These are called constellations. Ursa Major, the Great Bear, and Ursa Minor, the Little Bear, are such constellations which can be seen very clearly at night. Some other examples of constellations are Scorpius, the scorpion, Leo, the lion, and Orion, the hunter.